My crew is wearing crew necks. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. Today I am making crew necks for an event that I am launching, and it's our first event today. We're doing kind of like a soft event to get some Reels footage, to get some promo graphics, and what I'm doing today is I'm creating Bella Canvas crew necks for my staff to wear, and I thought I would pop on and talk to you guys about how you can use your t-shirt making and your crews and your hoodies and your zip-ups and your sweatpants, even, or any merch that you want to create with your DIY skills to promote your branding, whatever you're doing as a business. Bella Canvas is now open to everybody. You don't have to have a wholesale license to shop with them, so you can shop anything. Today I'm taking some of my favorite crews and I'm creating 3 different colors, and I'm gonna put my staff in them at the event. So what is that going to do? One, I don't have to make a ton of them. I just have to make 4 because it's for me and 3 other people. And then I can create really, really nice quality pieces that I don't have to worry about making a profit margin on. I just know that this is a shirt that is designed to promote my business, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create it to be drop dead gorgeous, basically. So I'm using flocked heat transfer vinyl, holographic, and glitter heat transfer vinyl. Another thing I'm also doing is only doing a chest piece. So this is a really cool way to get higher quality products onto your promotional material, shirts or whatever, without using a ton of material. So instead of doing bevies and bling huge across the shirt, I'm doing bevies and bling really cute, and I cut about 10, so I have extra in case an extra staff were to come in and I wanted them to have a shirt, or I just don't want to sit and cut all this heat transfer vinyl every single time I have an event. So I put the design in Cricut Design Space and I duplicated it by 10, but I'll probably go in and cut probably another 20 or 30 just so I have these decals on hand. And then when I have a staff member who's a certain size, I can say, hey, are you an extra small, extra large, 3X, what are you? And then I can order that Bella Canvas shirt or crew, and then I can just heat press on the logos. I'm gifting them to them because these are my favorite crews, and I want them to feel comfortable in their clothing when they're working, but then I also want them to wear this more than once. So I am gonna use my heat transfer, my HTV RONT, to make sure that the heat transfer vinyl stays forever. And then I'm using really high quality heat transfer vinyl. So we're using Caesar, flocked, holographic, and glitter. Let's go to this event. I'm gonna show you how these girls look in these adorable crew necks that I'm making today.